All right, well, here we are, packing bag 3. I told you we were gonna do it. It's almost packed, and it's got a couple things in here that may not stay, but let's get into it. So Robert's puffy coat, he's actually gonna wear with him, so that won't be in here. So we'll toss that over there. Now we do have our raincoats. I showed you these in my pack with me video. It is in here. I don't plan on wearing it on the plane on the way there. And Robert's is here as well. He does not plan on wearing his. That's the plan so far. So both of those are in here. I also have Robert's hat, gloves, scarf, and there's an ear wrap in here too if he wants to bring it. Robert's dot bag will be in here. My toiletry bag will also be in here. The cat will not be in here. No. Get. No, you can't go. I'm sorry. We talked about this. Remember? Okay, stay right there. Okay. We have a couple games that we always bring. Regular cards, Monopoly Deal. If you haven't seen this game, get it. It's a shortened version of Monopoly. We have travel size Yahtzee. Like that a lot. Binoculars. Again, this is a great travel size set, and it comes out, look through, and then you can compact it back into its carrying case, which is great. I have 2 umbrellas, and these are featured on our store, so check that link in the description below. But I'm packing one in this bag, and I'll probably have another one in our carry-on bag, one of my carry-on bags. That way I can have it if we need it at the airport. We're standing out waiting for the charter bus to bring us to the cruise ship. Those things are the ideas behind that. I do have a large wall map of Alaska of the Inside Passage, and that's always fun. We like to put that up in our stateroom. Laundry hamper, foldable, tuckable. I also have laundry pods in here as well. I've got 4 of them, anticipating about 4 loads of laundry, 2 each time. My essential oils, let me show you what's in there. This is fun. And cedar wood, digestion, so it helps with digestion issues, and ylang ylang, good for mood and blood pressure control. You can't get in, kitty. Stop. Lemon. On Guard helps fight against, and it's an antivirus and antibacterial. Peppermint, good for water. Lemon is good for water too. And then ginger. Talked about this one in my pack with me video as well. I will bring capsules. I don't have them packed yet, but I will bring capsules to put a couple drops of lemon juice or lemon oil into if I should have a upset stomach at all. I don't get seasick per se, but sometimes eating things that your body's not used to eating gives me a little bit of stomach upset. So we have wall magnets in here. This is another kind of pack that I keep together like all the time. We come home from a cruise, I repack it if I need to with items and then put it back in my travel items. So one of those things would be like stationery cards to say thank you for incredible service by the stateroom stewards. I do have a couple masks in here, N95s, in case we should need them. Hopefully we don't. Small first aid kit, copies of our passports. Let's see what else is in here. There are some earplugs, I do have small lozenges that are ginger as well, and I believe these are Dramamine. I bring them just to ward off any bad things that might happen. As you can tell, this is magnets for the wall. Some of them are hooks. Some of them are just these tiny little dot magnets that we use to put stuff up on the stateroom. I will show you this. Robert found these on Amazon. Great for putting up kind of an itinerary on your cruise ship wall. We'll show you that when we get on the cruise ship, and just show you different things that we're planning for different days. If we buy excursions, we'll put our tickets up there on the wall to save them. That way they don't get lost in the shuffle. So all of that, I'm just going to put right back in here. It's a wet, dry bag in case you have something that you want to pack with you, either on your shore day bag or ends up wet the day you're trying to pack to go home. So we always bring one of those along. Sea Days bag, I'll link that in the description below as well. Just a good shore day bag. I do have MCT oil powder. We are bringing that. We're bringing our vitamins will go in here. I have some snack bars. Usually those are for travel days, port days that we just want to grab a bar and bring with us. My hiking shoes, again, those bars will come in handy if we do go on hikes, and we will. We're super stoked about it. I've got trails picked out for each of the 4 stops actually, counting Whittier. So I've got my shoes in here. I did settle on the shoes that I showed in my packing video. I think those are going to be just fine for both my formal nights and regular casual dinner nights. However, I am debating a closed toe flat shoe as well. These are a very broke-in pair of Clarks that I just love. And let's see here, what else? I think that's about it. Now, like I said, both of our bags, our toiletry bags, will go in here because it is a checked bag. Oh, what else do I have in here? Oh, sign. We like to bring that with us. I've got extra lanyards if ours should break. So that's in that side pocket. I'll put shoes and heavy stuff on the bottom. Probably our toiletry bags will go on the bottom. Lighter stuff at the top of the bag. That is a good way to do. And these fill, you know, umbrellas and stuff like that. Shoes fit really good in between the bars if you've got the extension bars in the lower part of your luggage. So yeah, that will go good. There's that. Putting all this back is loads of fun. I'll have my jewelry. My jewelry may or may not go in here, but I did want to show you that I did get it packed. This is a cute little pack that Robert picked out for me to try. And oh, I've jostled it around a little bit, so all the necklaces have come undone. Not sure I'm a fan of that. I'll show you my other jewelry case too. Once we're on the cruise ship, I'll probably bring them both. My cat keeps trying to pack with me. She wants to go along too. I told her there were no windows or doors in the cabin that we're getting, so it may not be a lot of fun. I'll show you my toiletry bag as well. Pretty well packed, and I have almost everything in it. Lens cleaner. We both wear glasses and sunglasses. I've got immunity caps. You put it in and it fizzes in the water, dissolves in the water. Wrinkle releaser, Benadryl, get allergies, helps me sleep too. Miralax, enough said. Tums, bug spray. I make my own bug spray. A little bottle of perfume. that's in that one. Oh, and I have eye drops. Comes in the single vials. I'm sure you've seen it. I love it. And then the next one down is more hair items. Well, not only, but mostly. We have Lysol wipes, always good to have around. For the most part, the stateroom stewards do a fabulous job, but every once in a while, I start feeling a little ooey gooey, or someone in the cabin next to me is sneezing, coughing, whatever, and I just feel like wiping stuff down some more. It happens. I do have a body spray, so it's a lighter scent than my perfume. Travel hairbrush, face wash. I love CeraVe brand, by the way. That's not the only one that I have. I have some little travel size CeraVe facial moisturizer and SPF in it. So a little sunblock there. This is, I'm not sure if you've heard of this, it's called This Works. And this is a body lotion. So it's a really nice lotion by a company called This Works. Small travel size deodorant, razor, other little bottles of sunblock. Have plenty of them. You really don't need that much in Alaska, I will say. We'll be using it on our face, maybe, you know, neck area, arms, barely, you know, a long sleeve kind of thing. Sometimes you'll get 70-degree days, but there are fewer and farther between, put it that way. Dry shampoo and regular shampoo and conditioner. They have it on the cruise ship. I know, it's a combined shampoo and conditioner, and I sometimes bring a leave-in conditioner, and that works pretty well for my hair. My hair's not a lot of work. Hairspray. But I do like bringing my own shampoo just in case my hair is acting crazy. It happens. So yeah, I will put this back in there and get it somewhat organized again. Little bottles just toss right in. Hairbrush, good to go. Lysol wipes, you can throw them in anywhere, right? And then the final pouch has cotton goodies in it. Cotton rounds and Q-tips. I was getting ready this morning and thought, I don't have a small bottle of toner, my skin toner. So I don't know, I may look for that, but probably not. I'll probably just live without it for a couple weeks. So yeah, that's all. I will finish packing here, and we'll be on our way in just a couple days. Keep dreaming of sea days.